These AI animal eating videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now. And I truly believe this is going to be the next big AI trend. The best part? I created this video in less than 2 minutes using completely free AI tools. Let me show you exactly how you can also create these videos using free AI tools. First, you'll need the prompt, which you'll find linked in the description below. Copy the prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 unique video ideas for you. Simply choose your favorite idea by typing its corresponding number and pressing enter. Then ChatGPT will instantly generate a detailed video prompt with all the settings you need. Now copy the video prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Switch to video mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and select OmniFlash as your video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Paste the prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. In just a few moments, Google Flow AI will create your AI animal eating video. And here it is. Your video is ready. The best part is that you can create unlimited AI animal eating videos by simply choosing different ideas, making it easy to create endless viral content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe to Reavron so you don't miss the latest viral AI niches and free AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.